Hello and welcome to Knox Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to get all the specifications of your computer in a single place. So before that, I want you to hit the subscribe option and turn bell icon and never miss a video. To see your specifications, just open your Start menu. Then Start Run App. When it is opened, simply search DxDiag in it. Then press OK button to start the software. When it is opened, you will see that a direct diagnostic tool has opened. At front of you, there are system information, which shows your computer's CPU, memory, sound, output devices, system manufacturer and much more. At the above of this, there are 4 options: System, Display, Sound and Input. At the present time, you are at the System bar, which shows all the information of your computer at a single place. If you click on the Display option, you will be showed with the information of device, drivers, and DirectX features. The Sound option also displays the device and the drivers. And the Input option shows the input devices connected to your computer, like mouse, keyboard. This software can also make a text file of your specifications. Simply click the option that you can see in the bottom, which is named as Save All Information. So hope that you will like this feature. Let me know in the comment section below. So that's for today. If you like this, then be sure to subscribe to this channel, and like my new videos daily. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.